Strong MDI, we're celebrating our 50th year this year as a company. We are based out of town a little north of Montreal, Canada. And there's probably the three things that I think about that represent our brand the most of all. First is we are a custom screen manufacturer. We manufacture to order, we design, we work closely with our clients to create the perfect solution for their project. We do this for them. We're an ISO 9001 2015 certified factory, so the quality is impeccable. It's why IMAX, for instance, uses our products for all their movie theaters around the world. Why we have been chosen by some of the finest museums, including places like the Smithsonian. But the third thing that really stands apart for us, Tom, is that custom in a lot of people's mind means, oh my goodness, expensive. But not with us. We're incredibly affordable. When we look at the market, we look at really more cookie cutter brands to do our competitive comparisons. So what I'd like to say is this is a high quality custom brand, but with truly value engineered pricing and balance of everything a client could possibly need. Being a company that can manufacture screens, fabric, screen frames, fixed frame, motorized frame, there really isn't an application. In the world of screens, we think of everything as being application specific. There really isn't an application that we couldn't serve. But where we stand out most is larger venues and those that have specialized requirements. We talk about museums. Always a very special application. Themed entertainment, which could include aquariums. We just did a project where a screen was needed that was 31 feet tall. It was an arc of 125 feet around. That's a capability that a company like Strong MDI can bring to the table. But all our screens don't have to be giant sized either. They can be smaller sized, and they can be used in the theme parks. We were talking, and I'm in Orlando today, so I'm out traveling, seeing companies that do business with a lot of theme parks, attractions, and family entertainment centers. There's a good business down this part of the world and others where it's command and control systems. Those are highly specialized custom applications. But let's not overlook as well, screens that we make can be smaller venue. They can go into corporations, they can go into higher education classrooms, and even government applications. So the value proposition for Strong MDI can run the gamut from anything from a small venue opportunity to a very large venue opportunity. So all of the readers for Commercial Integrator can look at us to be a solutions provider for them at a very affordable price. There's one on our website I just love because it's such a great example of how a screen can be used in a museum application. The Montreal Museum of Fine Arts had an exhibit of Marc Chagall's work, paintings and so forth. But one of the projects that Marc Chagall did was the ceiling at the Opera de Paris. Well, you can't move the ceiling. So how do you take it on tour? And this was a tremendous challenge. It was great for us. The solution that is highlighted in the case study, it's a circular frame, and it is made of a dual vision material so that when it's illuminated, guests at the museum can actually view it from two sides. It's not just a single front projection solution. It's actually front and rear. Used our studio view material. It used our domino frame, which is a perfect frame for curved and circular or cylinder applications. The material wraps around the frame, can be hidden in a front projection or rear projection application. That I love that particular example.